So you've probably been hearing a lot on the forums with your friends that you should definitely get your car protected with paint protection film, or PPF being the acronym. Paint protection film essentially is a clear wrap, and it's made up of a polyurethane middle coat, a bottom layer of adhesive, and a top layer that has your self-healing properties, and also, in the case of STEK Dyno Shield, a ceramic coating layer built in. So the purpose is really mostly to protect you against high impact of rocks and road debris. Now there's other benefits. Some of our clients will have us do like a full wrap, and that's helping to protect against if someone tried to key the car or just rub up against it in a parking lot. For a lot of people, paint protection film really just provides like peace of mind, kind of an insurance policy for the finish. Also with STEK's Dyno Shield, it's so glossy and clear that it really actually enhances the look of the vehicle. There's even a lot of different finishes that we can provide. We've got gloss black, matte black, we even have matte clear, carbon clear, there's gloss carbon fiber, there's matte carbon fiber. There's a lot of really unique things that we can do to make the car look really cool aesthetically, as well as just enhance its overall appearance. The process that we take here at Elite Finish with the installation is really quite unique. Everything we do is very custom tailored to the car. The usual methods for installation is to pre-plot out a kit on a plotter. The plotter is like a big printer with a blade, and it's pre-cutting out the shape of that panel. The benefit of that is that we're able to install very rapidly. The downside is that wherever it cuts, we're limited by. What's great about the way that we install here is that we're able to make that install look as invisible as possible because we're either wrapping or tucking material in or cutting so close to the edge that you really can't even tell the material is on the car. What's really wonderful about how STEK has approached the manufacturing of their clear bra as well as even their window film is they're making material that is flatter than I've ever seen comparative to any of the leading brands out there. Every paint has an orange peel finish to it to some degree. So when we're putting a flat material over that orange peel, it doesn't change the overall look. So with STEK, we're able to install clear bra on just some of the panels of the vehicle and have all the car look uniform. STEK Dyno Shield and all of our stylistic STEK PPFs that we can put on the car all carry a 10-year warranty. Now that 10-year warranty is going to cover against cracking, yellowing, discoloring, fading, peeling, things like that. The warranty is not covering impact. If rocks hit the clear bra, it's doing its job to protect the paint. If you're good at taking care of your vehicles regardless, this material is going to last essentially as long as paint, if not even longer, against staining and discoloring and things like that because of the protective layers that are built in. We've chosen to partner with STEK for a multitude of reasons. The people really running that program are some of the most down-to-earth, like ethical people, and working with a company that wants to work with us and take care of our customers is really important. At the end of the day, what you're getting with Elite Finish, partner with STEK, and having your car protected is passionate enthusiasts for cars who really want to do the absolute best for you and the best for the car. Often we're thinking about things that you're just not. And we want to make sure that when you drive out of here, you just have a huge smile on your face and you want to show all your friends and family what you've had done to your vehicle. We really look forward to working with you, and come down and check out the auto salon.